Wait, Jake, no. You know what? I was gonna WhatsApp you what you're up to. Fucking hell. Over there. I know.
Good.
Yeah, good. Making a little video for friends abroad so you can see what it's like over there. You know what? Last year, yeah?
Yeah.
I was over there doing pull-ups. When this fire was there, I was over there doing pull-ups, yeah? Fire brigade came, police came, and like everyone left, and they put out the fire, and until they left again, I was just there doing pull-ups, and I didn't care.
No bombs in you, have you?
You're supposed to stay quiet about that.
Oh, like your back's massive again?
Is it?
Yeah? Look at me arm now again. Training hard still.
Yeah. Been training today.
Yeah.
6 hours. Fucking crazy. Wait.
Yeah, Shinu, what's happening?
Alright, lad.
Hey, mate.
Yeah, good.
More sweets going there. What have it? I won't sit long.
Yeah, I'll let them know on that.
Hello, mate.
How do you like it?
Calm it.
Some week coming up that month.
Telling me. Man's not up. Fucking proper up, man. He's boiling Scotch, you know?
Is it?
My wig's gonna go even worse.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Hi, Sheree. How are you? Congratulations, like, on your modelling shoot and stuff.
Oh,
you
yeah,
look great.
thanks.
How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, well. Yeah, is that I know.
Yeah.
So how you been doing?
I'm good. Just making a video for my friends abroad.
Are you? Roasted. Are you over with Barton?
Yeah, I didn't know he was here. I was going to WhatsApp him what he's up to.
Yeah.
I was just walking around there and then, obviously saw this, came here, and yeah, it's warm, isn't it? Last year when this fire was here, I was over there doing pull-ups.
Yeah.
Fire brigade came, police came.
Did that?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I was going to say. It's like the ambulance brigade and that coming up.
Yeah, they're going to come up. I was there doing pull-ups. They put out the fire and all. Everyone left.
Yeah.
By the time they all left, I was still doing pull-ups.
You still training in that, yeah? I miss it. I miss training.
No, I don't mean gym bag. I mean they're on the playground over there.
Oh, over there? You was
Yeah,
over there?
there was that playground there. There's some pull-ups on there.
Yeah. Martin there?
Yeah.
I love Bobby Knight. It makes you like dead. Woo!
Yeah.
So what you doing up to? You like modelling now like all the time? Doing catwalk and stuff?
I do. In May there'll be Manchester Fashion Week, so I'll be there. I already spoke to organizer, yeah. I don't know about next year Liverpool Fashion Week. Probably I'll be there again.
Yeah.
And I've been offered a modelling contract.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, congratulations. Are you sure? Are you made up?
Yeah, but I'm going to turn it down anyway, see, that's the thing.
Why?
Because the conditions are too protective.
Yeah.
Yeah. They want the entire rights to my pictures and name.
Yeah.
And they want to control all my social media accounts as well for 3 years.
Really?
Yeah.
For 15 years?
No, for 3.
3 years? I thought you said 15
No, not
then.
15.
That's like really intense. Like, so what, you can't put anything on Facebook or anything like that to screw them?
Basically, yeah. I can't do anything without their permission.
That's all.
Yeah, I couldn't even, if I wanted to set up my own business and use myself as a marketing figure, I couldn't do that without paying them. Yeah, so I turned that down. And over the years, it's been now my 3rd or 4th modeling contract I've turned down, so like it's not even something new for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't even need those agencies.
Yeah, I know.
You know, you can promote yourself anyway.
Fire in there.
Yeah, do you want to say something to camera?
No, sorry. Oh, sorry. Camera's crazy, but what's it? Fucking choice, you're funny, you lad.
I know I'm not supposed to.
I know you film wherever you want. Are you modelling or not?
Yeah, it's going. I've been up to a contract as well, but I'm going to finish off.
How can you get modelling when I can't?
I got long hair? I don't know. I should do some kind of selfie, like show to my friends in Germany. Yeah, look, I'm burning everything down over there.
London's burning.
Huh?
London's burning.
I hope.
How you doing, Daniel? Right?
You're alright, Jane? No worries. Sit on your finger.
Keep it quiet. I don't like people on my personal business. Me like.
Where is she?
One shot, that's it.
Bye.
Do you know when I was going to live? Not having a roller dress yet. Not having a roller dress yet. How's cold in that? Yeah, just look near on you though, like the old St. Ground.
Bonfire experience, yeah.
Last time was an hour, I don't know what else, but that was with a You're messing. When's your birthday? October. The only person I'm actually on with properly ready.
Are you missing it? She's not brilliant. I always used to go in there, when I lived down there. Gladstone Street. You see them. Yeah.
All the pace.
Didn't he used to have a Harley Davidson?
Yeah.
Ah, it? Wow, what's that? I mean, that's quite
On it, like the kids. What are you doing?
Yeah. That's why I've not bought Angela Crova, because I honestly, they're just for dead after them. There's no need for that. I mean,
Oh no, you want to go? I'm old enough joking, you look pretty good.
no, but there's just no need for letting fireworks off and stuff. It just ruins it then, and then you've got the police coming over and they won't let you do it all that. But everyone can stop in the idea, but not like really grown.
That's lad. Right, Sam lad.
Jamie, lad. There's that guy.
Obviously you can't see you with your other
Oh, of course, yeah. Hey, Jamie, lad, how you doing?
Hey, mate.
Yeah, good, good.
Hey, lad.
Yeah. How's it going? That there.
Blazing, isn't it?
Huh?
Blazing.
Yeah, man.
Not so much good.
Training. Been to Fashion Week. Modeling
Yeah.
there, yeah. That was good. So, just done some modeling and that. Pretty much it.
Yeah. Just keep busy, innit?
Yeah.
Cameron, stay there, or are you over there? Well? Been out lately, mate.
What?
Been out lately.
Haven't been for a while.
No.
For a long time I haven't been, no. When was the last time? Last time I've been out was when my friend Bobby, whose music video I've been in.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had like a little concert in a nightclub in Liverpool. So I went there just to support him, like,
Yeah.
and that was the last time I've been out. I don't drink anyway. Yeah.
That's all right, lad. Maybe it's a training, isn't it?
Yeah, I train. It's going well, like they want to get me into bodybuilding competitions as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're teaching me now how to pose. Yeah.
You got time, do it, innit?
Yeah. So you want to enter me into classic physique?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you heard of classic physique?
Yeah, I've heard of that.
Yeah, that's what I want to enter me
Really
into.
good, that, mate.
Thanks.
I'm training now. I've not got time to do full-on bodybuilding.
Yeah.
Go gym every day, though.
Yeah.
Keep busy, innit?
Yeah.
Some shit.
You have?
Yeah. Just got back on tuition.
Alright.
Maybe another back on it a week, I'll go.
Yeah.
Get in there, lad. Get bigger than Christmas for Christmas. That's how I'm also all that.
Yeah, okay, man. Yeah. Okay.
All right, mate.
Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, see you. Like that.
Right blood, you.
What?
Right blood. Coming off. Yeah, good. This is Gangland Set Owens.
Right, next year we have to make a music video in front of us.
I said that I was going to film today.
Seriously?
Yeah, but do you know Murky?
Yeah. He didn't turn up?
No.
What?
He said he wants £50 for petrol. He's only coming from Liverpool, mate. He's not driving a fucking 8-litre car. You know what I mean? 50 quid. I said, taking a piss.
How much for the video?
150 for the video, which is reasonable. But then he's like saying, if I'm coming to St Helens, I want 50. I have to charge you £200. I was like, why? Obviously not. What a cheeky cunt. Not a chance, mate. I actually said to him, I said, you can't keep doing this stuff like this, mate. Putting your price up last minute and that. I said, and he was like, I know, mate, but so he's put laughing. I said, fucking hell, I paid a lot of money that now at the time, like. What are you saying about fireworks and dog?
I like that one.
You know what, you should have just picked him up from Liverpool. Said, you know, I'll come and pick you up, it's even cheaper for me.
But he wouldn't know, would he, because he's a freak. He's a dickhead, mate, and he's not even a bit of a dickhead with me, like. I just said some fuck off then. I'm not arsed.
Right.
Should we walk over?
Yeah. What do you go with? Shit, even got a couch here, man. Shit.
We should tour it on there, that's like now. Go and pick it up, you pick it up one arm, you. Did you want to? Money to fire?
Any space on that chair?
Come here, boy. What boy? Fuck off. Come here, you fuck me. Come on, then, guy.
Where?
Dickheads, honestly, absolute dickheads. Shit. Kids here, lad. Ask me like this, it's on fire, go over there and bowl. I don't know. Hey, after your neck is back, get back. Fucking hell, pigeon. Listen, Beck, where's my kind of shandy here, lad? I'll drink on it, isn't that me? Yeah. You know what else? You know what else? What else? Look at this kid here. Put him two together. Mad fun. Finn, look. Finn, look. Good.
Something spicy, that pizza. Oh yeah, Torres. That's your fucking... Torres! Obviously not. There for 2.5 men blonder. There, Ferry. Oh, you got a big beat. I'm not thinking the beat. I've never seen 2.5 men. Fucking hell, you're only half a man yourself. Came out half a man.
Half a man.
No, put Alan Bommy like it, go on again.
What you up to?
Not to?
Yeah.
Stop at this Bommy light.
Huh?
Just at this Bommy light.
Right.
No, do you mean in general?
Who did?
What do you mean in general, like, or?
No, I mean like now, right?
It's literally just covered.
Hey!
Alright, okay.
Got nothing on. Really, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get an night tonight, like, so.
Right,
Probably gonna go and become good now, is it, like?
right.
Yourself?
Pretty much the same, man. Unless you're up to something like, because I have some time right now, and I haven't seen you for a while. You're always on the country now. It's like everywhere. Working. Yeah.
All over the place, non-stop, mate.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It's good, but I've been off now for 2 weeks, so.
Yeah. You should always let me know when you're off, like.
No.
Yeah.
Honest, mate, I've been busy. I've been literally busy. It's been my birthday and that. Like, I went to fucking, it was my mum's.
Yeah.
It was my girlfriend's birthday.
Yeah.
It's Tom's birthday as well, like, so.
Yeah.
I went to Blackpool for my birthday as well, so I've only been back, like, really a week, because last week I just spent it.
Most Harry Lewis.
You know, that kind of stuff, like, when you get penny boy.
I don't think that'll be like... It just looks
Put that couch on there, lad. Soon come back up.
You know, I've brought it over there. Hot and starts filling up, and you do it there. Oh, yeah, on the filling up a ball, it's like, oh, it just keeps going up there.
You know, when I get out like this, like everyone's over, I just want to just dodge my hand.
Yeah,
I'm a big man.
yeah, you feel like you're flying serve again, don't you?
Yeah. Pass all Pat now, and the mob there got me wood. What? Stop being plod with that.
Huh?
Stop being the police.
Yeah, so see it. Alter!
Who's that? Harry Potter? Fucking doing spells?
Battery soon run out on this anyway, you know. Batteries only 3% battery now. This thing is almost gone. Only 3% battery on this. Yeah.
Same phone as me.
Huh?
Samsung S6.
Yeah, we have the same phone now.
I want to get a new one, mate.
Yeah. Which one?
The newer one of this.
Oh, right.
Or the Samsung Note, the bigger one.
Right.
Are you doing great?
What are you doing?
You don't do it, you know.
I'm really, to be honest, actually.
That's a little fucking Mac, is it something like that?
Roger.
Seriously, you need to sort out your belly, man. Fuck off, dude. You say this all the time. I'm on ass, mate. Look, I've got a belly now, I don't care.
It's an entertainment business. You need to look good for entertainment business.
I'm not embarrassed. Fuck entertainment, I'll be a fat cock like Biggie.
Yeah, lad, behave when it's kick over here, lad. Kick off.
Shit, man, what are you saying? I think